On the occasion of World Press Freedom Day, UNESCO honored with the country's historic newspaper La Prensa with the Guillermo Cano Press Freedom Prize. ये कहाँ का है? निकारागुआ. वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम इंडेक्स 2025 published by Reporters Without Borders. What is India's rank? 151st. Who took office as the new Prime Minister of Yemen? Salem Saleh bin Brik. Who was re-established as the Prime Minister of Australia? Anthony Albanese. Who became the 23rd member country to join International Solar Alliance? Angola. First time Java, of which paramilitary force set a record by successful climbing world's fifth highest peak Mount Makalu, ITBP. First time Javan, of which paramilitary force set a record by climbing world's fifth highest peak mountain Makalu's, ITBP. Who successfully tested the indigenous stratospheric airship platform from Shivpur, Madhya Pradesh, DRDO. Which former cricketer was banned for 3 years by Kerala Cricket Association, S. Srinath. Which day was celebrated as the World Press Freedom Day? 3 May. Where was the first World Audiovisual Entertainment Summit Waves 2025 organized? Mumbai. Which country approved the sale of Hawkeye 360 technology to enhance India's maritime surveillance capability? USA. In collaboration of when did the Indian Navy successfully tested the indigenous designed multi-influence ground mine? DRDO. Which party of Singapore Prime Minister Lawrence Wong recorded the landslide victory? People's Action Party. Where did fintech company Gold Sikka launch India's first AI-enabled gold melting machine? Hyderabad. By what name did the Election Commission announce the launch of new app integrating more than 40 existing apps? ECI Net app. Warren Buffett resigned from CEO position of Berkshire Hathaway and to whom handed over the leadership? Greg Abel. Whom did China defeat to win Sudhiraman Cup? Title for the record 14th time? South Korea. Where was the 58th annual meeting of the Asian Development Bank held? Milan, Italy. Which country became the first in the world to develop genome edited rice varieties? India. For its age friendly policies, which Indian city was included in the WHO by the World Network of Age Friendly Cities and Communities? Kozhikode, Kerala. Which state government launched the Pandit Lakshmi Chand Kalakar Samajik Samman Yojana to provide financial assistance to senior artists? Haryana. Where was the Northeast India's first geothermal well successfully drilled? Dirang, Arunachal Pradesh. Who was honored with the Pulitzer Prize 2025 for public service? Kavita Surana. In which city it was announced that the India's first transmedia entertainment city, Creator Land, will be established? Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Which two cities did the Ministry of Civil Aviation approve new greenfield airport? Kota, Rajasthan and Puri, Odisha. Whom did India appoint as the interim director of the Board of International Monetary Fund? Parameswaram Iyer. Central government launched nationwide scheme to provide how much amount of cashless treatment for road accident victims? 1.5 lakhs. Which state celebrated Traders Day? Tamil Nadu. Regarding the water sharing of which river between Punjab and Haryana, the Bhakra water tension was in the news? Satluj River. Who won the ICC Billiards Classic 2025? Pankaj Advani. Who became the first Indian advocate to be honored with the Medal of Honor awarded at the World Law Congress, Dominion Republic? Bhuvan Ribu. Which state announced the launch of Adi Shakti Mission for Women Empowerment and Yaswant Vidyarthi Yojana for students? Maharashtra. Who was sworn in as the 10th Chancellor of Germany's Friedrich Merz? Where was the 11th Sea Trade Maritime Logistic Middle East Conference held? Dubai. Which country India signed a historic free trade agreement? United Kingdom. In which city did the Union Ministry of Education approve the establishment of off-campus Center of Indian Institute of Foreign Trade? Gift City, Gandhinagar. Moody's ratings revised India's GDP growth forecast from 6.5% down to 6.3%. Under what theme was the World Asthma Day celebrated, making respiratory treatment accessible to all? In which state was the 1585 square kilometer Sarchu declared India's largest wildlife conservation reserve? Himachal Pradesh. Under which operation did India conduct air strikes on 9 terrorist hideouts in 7 cities of Pakistan in response to the Pahalgam terrorist attack? Operation Sindoor. Which two female officers led the press briefing on Operation Sindoor, the military campaign conducted by the Indian Air Force on 7 May 2025? Colonel Sofia Qureshi and Wing Commander Vyomika Singh. India's What is India's rank among 193 countries in the Human Development Report 2025 issued by UNDP 130th? Which country unveiled the community plaque at its New Delhi embassy for Biju Patnaik's variant service during World War II? Russia. Which state launched special education program named Jyoti to ensure schooling for children of migrant workers? Kerala. How many districts of India were civil defense mock drills conducted as part of National Preparedness of War 244? According to a report released by Registrar General of India, what was India's total fertility rate in 2021? 2.0. Highest is Bihar 3.0 and lowest is Delhi, West Bengal 1.4. Which Bangalore-based AI startup launched its text-to-speech model Bulbul V2 Sarvam AI? Which Indian captain announced his retirement from Test cricket? Rohit Sharma. Which day was celebrated on 7 May 2025 World Athletics Day? Which indigenous anti-submarine warfare corvette of the Indian Navy participated in the International Maritime Defense Exhibition held in Singapore? INS Kilton. Cardinal Robert Francis Prevost was elected as the 267th Pope and first American Pope. By what name will he be known? Pope Leo XIV. Garden Reach Shipbuilders and Engineers delivered his first indigenous ASW shallow water craft to the Indian Navy. What is its name? Arnala. World Bank Land Conference in Washington, D.C. Which country honored as the country champion for its digital land administration? India. Which country officially launched world's first national level cryptocurrency payment system? Bhutan. By what name did Pakistan launch an attack on the several Indian cities in response to Operation Sindoor, Operation Banyan al Marsus? Microsoft co-founder Bill Gates announced his intention to donate 99% of his wealth by which year? 2045. Which country has launched 10-year golden visa to attract Indian investors and tourists? Vietnam. Which country was launched a 10-year golden visa program to attract Indian investors and tourists? Vietnam. By what name did the public sector bank SBI launch its largest staff engagement initiative to empower its workforce? Next Leap. What was the theme of World Thalassemia Day celebrated on 8 May? Together for Thalassemia Uniting Communities Paratinic Peasants. What was the theme of World Red Cross Day celebrated on 8 May? Keeping Humanity Alive. Indian banking sector's largest overseas deal. What percentage stake Yes Bank did SBI and seven other banks sell to Japan's SMBC? 20%. What new name did the Jharkhand government give to Dr. Syama Prasad Mukherjee University? Veer Buddha Bhagat University. Which state's governor Bandru Dattatreya, the vice president Jagdeep Dhanbar has released an autobiography Janta Ki Kahani Meri Atmakatha? Haryana. Whom did South Korea appoint as its tourism brand ambassador? Hina Khan. Despite India's objections, how many billion dollars did the IMF approve for Pakistan? $1 billion. Between India and which country free trade agreement was signed? New Zealand. Which country banned antimicrobial drugs in aquaculture sector? India. Collaboration with which organization did the Uttar Pradesh government launch two new initiatives, UP Agris and AI Pragya, to boost economy? World Bank. Which state of Indian Army conducted high intensity military exercise Tista Prahar in Tista Field Firing Range? West Bengal. Jalpaiguri. Which two states signed an agreement to jointly launch world's largest groundwater recharge scheme, the Tapti Basin Mega Recharge Project? Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which country's scientists have announced the creation of first pangeome of Asian rice using sequencing technology? China. Which pioneering fishery scientist known as the father of India's Blue Revolution and Padma Shri awardee passed away? Subhana Ayyappan. Who was the theme of World Migratory Bird Day celebrated on 10 May? Creating bird-friendly cities and communities. In which city did Defense Minister Rajnath Singh inaugurated the BrahMos missile production facility? Lucknow. How many new products did Uttar Pradesh government added to the flagship One District One Product scheme, bringing the total of 74 products across the state's 75 districts? 12. What was the theme of National Technology Day celebrated on 11 May? Empowering a sustainable tomorrow through innovation. Which state introduced a policy for full exemption on property tax for residents of active defense personnel? Andhra Pradesh. A part of 90 days ceasefire in the trade war between US and China agreed to mutual tariff cut of what percentage? 115%. Which state's police launched Nai Disha initiative to reconnect school dropouts with education? Delhi. Indian multinational IT company joined the European Commission's AI Pact with HCL Technology. The book PMO Prime Minister's Office Through Years, written by which author and academician, was released. Himanshu Roy. Which legendary Indian batsman announced his retirement from Test cricket? Virat Kohli. Which country banned chess due to its concern over Sharia law? Afghanistan. Which debt-ridden remaining country did India provide $50 million as a financial assistance? Maldives. Who was appointed as the president of the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Harshvardhan Chawla. Which country has officially declared as the Yala Glacier is dead? Nepal. Which of the legislative assembly in India became the first to fully powered by solar energy? Delhi. Which religion's followers celebrated International Vesak Day as their most sacred day? Buddhism. What was the theme of International Nurses Day? Nurses, a voice to lead, delivering quality, security, and equity. What was the theme of the International Day of Plant Health, celebrated on 12 May? Importance of plant health in One Health. Which city did the Minister of Electronics, Information Provider Sachin Vaishnaw inaugurate the country's first 3 nanometer chip design centers, Noida and Bengaluru? Which politician of Indian origin was appointed as the new Foreign Minister of Canada by Prime Minister Mark Carney? Anita Anand. Government of India officially announced Ayurveda Day on Dhanteras will now be observed which date every year? 23 September. Where was the Saurya Samman Yatra organized to celebrate the success of Operation Sindoor? Delhi. Where did the Inland Waterways Authority of India establish new regional office? Srinagar. How many cities did the India launch chip-enabled biometric e-passport services? 13. Opening ceremony of 78th Cannes Film Festival on what was honored with the honorary Palme d'Or? रॉबर्ट डी नीरो, जो कि एक अमेरिकन एक्टर हैं. गूगल चेंज इट्स जी लोगो. दिस चेंज रिफ्लेक्ट गूगल ग्रोइंग फोकस ऑन व्हाट? आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस. Who is a double Olympic medalist javelin thrower who has been honored with the honorary rank of lieutenant colonel in the territorial army? Neeraj Chopra. Which country the world's first commercial e-methanol production plant was launched? Denmark. Which two institutions partnered to enhance India's space surveillance capabilities? Aryabhat Research Institute of Observation Sciences, Nainital, and Instruments Research and Development Establishment, Dehradun. Jose Mujica, a former president of which country, passed away at the age of 89? Uruguay. Which state launched the 10 lakh cashless Karmyogi Swasth Suraksha Yojana for its employees? Gujarat. Who took charge as the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Justice Bhushan Ramkrishn Gavai. Who took charge as the chairman of National Legal Services Authority? Justice Suryakant. Whom did the central government appoint as the chairman of UPSC? Ajay Kumar, former defense secretary. Which city central government approved joint venture between HCL and Foxconn to establish Uttar Pradesh first country's sixth semiconductor unit? Jewar. Between USA and which country the largest arms deals in history took place? Saudi Arabia. What name did the India successfully test its indigenous system for destroying drone swarms? Bhargavastra. Scientist Mariangelu Hungaria from which country was awarded the 2025 World Food Prize for Sustainable Agriculture? Brazil. Taking a significant step towards the carbon-free economy, how many carbon capture and utilization testbed clusters did Indian government launch? 5. Where was the third 6G of the 25th International Conference and Exhibition held? New Delhi. Whom did ICC select as the men's and women's player of the month for April 2025? Mehdi Hassan, Miraj, and Catherine Bryce, Scotland. US President Donald Trump announced the lifting of all sanctions imposed on which country? Syria. Birth anniversary of which country, which heroic and aspiring leader of Maratha Empire was celebrated? Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj. Where was the 7th Khelo India Youth Games held? Patna, Rajgir, Bhagalpur, Gaya, Begusrai, and New Delhi. Which state government announced the establishment of 5 seed parks to become self-reliant in seed production? Uttar Pradesh. The sangri bean of which grows the khejri tree known as the Kalpavriksha of the Thar Desert received GI tag, which belong to which state? Rajasthan. Which state government unveiled the AI-powered virtual news anchor Ankita? Assam. In which state was the Saraswati Puskaralu Kumbh, a grand religious festival once every 12 years organized recently? Telangana. According to recently released data, which product did the India export in most of the year 2024? Smartphones. Who won the most medals in 7th Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Maharashtra with 58 gold, 47 silver, and 53 bronze. JNU and Jamia Millia Islamia University suspended all academic agreements with which country? Turkey. On the occasion of Global Accessibility Awareness Day on 15 May, who organized the Inclusive India Summit in India, New Delhi, Department of Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities. According to the BOFA Securities Fund Manager Survey, India surpassed which country to become the most preferred investment market in Asia? Japan. Which day was celebrated on 15 May, International Day of Families? Who became the India's newest and 86th Grandmaster? Sri Hari LR. Who was appointed as a distinguished professor of the National Law University Delhi? Justice D.Y. Chandrachud. Whom did the central government appoint as the India's ambassador to Sweden? Anurag Bhushan. Who is Indian nurse was named among the top 5 finalists of the prestigious Aster Guardians Global Nursing Award? Sukhpal Kaur. Bijmar, Chandigarh. Which organization announced the development of indigenous high-pressure nano-porous multi-layered polymer membrane to desalinate seawater? DRDO. Who released the first monthly bulletin of the revised periodic labor force survey? Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation (MOSPI). With whom did India launch the joint research initiative on marine pollution and green hydrogen? European Union. Where did the Republic of Honduras open its embassy in India? New Delhi. What did the Bihar government rename the city of Gaya known as for its religious and spiritual significance? Gayaji. What is the name of initiative launched by the National Commission for Women to raise awareness about gender sensitivity and prevention of sexual harassment? Campus Calling. Which states farmers did Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan announce the welfare package of 380 crore? Nagaland. Which state government launched the Indira Gaur Giri Jal Vikas Yojana provides solar powered irrigation facilities to tribal farmers? Telangana. What is the name of new bill proposed in the US that would be imposed 55% tax on money sent by the non-citizens? The One Big Beautiful Bill. The collaboration of whom did the Archaeological Survey of India renovate the 16th century stepwell in Mehrauli, New Delhi? World Monuments Fund India and TCS Foundation. Which state did the Indian Army and NDRF conduct the disasters drill named Rahat? Assam. What did the United Nations revise India's economic growth forecast for year 2025 down to 6.6%, 6.3%? What did the United Nations revise India's economic growth forecast for the year 2025 to down from 6.6%, 6.3%? Which stadium did the Mumbai Cricket Association officially inaugurated stands named after Rohit Sharma, NCP, Sharad Pawar faction, and former batsman Ajit Wadekar, Wankhede Stadium? Which education institution announced the establishment of first overseas campus in Dubai, UAE, Indian Institute of Foreign Trade (IIFT)? Which country have hundreds of people died outbreak of Lassa fever? Nigeria. Which Sanskrit scholar and renowned poet, lyricist Dr. did President Draupadi Murmu present 58th Janpit Award? Jagadguru Rambhadracharya and Guljar. Who became the first Indian javelin thrower to cross 90-meter mark with the historic performance at the Doha Diamond League? Neeraj Chopra. Who won the first Grand Chess Tour title by winning Superbet Classic 2025 in Romania? R. Pragnanda. Which days was observed on 16 May 2025 National Dengue Day? Which anniversary of its merger with India did Sikkim celebrate? 50th. IIT Bombay announced the launch of its first international campus in Japan in partnership with which country? Tohoku University. Which state became the first in the country to offer jungle safari experience via the Wisdom train? Uttar Pradesh. From Katarni Ghat Wildlife Sanctuary to Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. Department of Post unveiled a commemorative postage stamp to mark the 125th anniversary of which observatory? Kodaikanal Solar Observatory. Who won the gold medal in the Miss World 2025 Sports Challenge? Gachibowli Stadium, Hyderabad. Alice Rendma. Miss Estonia. Which renowned science communicator and founder of India's Science Museum movement passed away? Saroj Ghosh. Following Operation Sindoor, how many members were in the all-party parliamentary delegation formed by India to present zero tolerance policy against terrorism to world? 7. Shashi Tharoor, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Sanjay Kumar Jha, Baijant Panda, Kanimoji Karunanidhi Supriya Sule, and Srikant Eknath Shinde. Top business leaders and organizations from across the country boycotted all commercial ties, including travel and tourism, with which countries? Turkey and Azerbaijan. What was the theme of World Hypertension Day celebrated on 17 May? Measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, live longer. What was the theme of 8th UN Global Road Safety Week observed on 12 से 18 May? Make walking safe and make cycling safe. Which state was the new butterfly species Euthalia malasena discovered? Arunachal Pradesh. Which state became the first in the country to make robotics education mandatory for all class 10 students? Kerala. What initiative did the Minister of Ports and Shipping launch to promote women's participation in the maritime sector? Sagar Mein Samman, respect in the ocean. Who led the India's official delegation at the inauguration ceremony of Pope Leo XIV at Vatican City? Harivansh, Deputy Chairman of Rajya Sabha. National Cadet Corps achieved a significant milestone by scaling which of the world's highest peaks? Mount Everest. Pradhan Mantri Matsya Sampada Yojana, the foundation stone for new integrated aqua park, was laid in which city of Tripura? Kailas Sahar. RBI announced the issuance of new banknotes of which denomination signed by Governor Sanjay Malhotra? 20. Which country did India defeat to win ASIAD FF Under 19 Championship 2025 held in UPA, Arunachal Pradesh? Bangladesh. Who did Spain's Carlos Alcaraz defeat to win first Italian Open 2025 title? Jannik Sinner. What was the theme of International Museum Day celebrated on 18 May? The future of museums is rapidly changing commitments. Which water heritage museum in Kerala was included in UNESCO's Global Network of Water Museum, Kozhikode? Which country was admitted as the ninth new member of the New Development Bank established by the BRICS nation? Algeria. What was the name of portal launched by Union Home Minister Amit Shah for overseas citizens of India? Overseas citizens of India. Who was elected as the new president of Romania? Nicu Ordan. What campaign did Indian Coast Guard launched to protect the endangered Olivia sea turtles on the Odisha coast? Operation Olivia. Where was the first Khelo India Beach Games inaugurated? Ghogla Beach, Diu. A research team from which Indian Research Center developed super fast charging sodium ion battery that can charge up to 80% in just 6 minutes? Jawaharlal Nehru Center for Advanced Scientific Research, Bangalore. Where was the India's first Mahout village for elephant keepers established? Thepakadu, Tamil Nadu. Who represented India at the BRICS Energy Ministers Conference held in Brasilia under Brazil's presidency? Manohar Lal. Who was appointed as the first Prime Minister of Sudan after civil war? Kamil Idris. Forests of which state did Botanical Survey of India discover the world's longest banana species, Musa indamines, Andaman and Nicobar? Where was the International Buyer Seller Conference of 25 held? Patna. Jitendra Singh inaugurated Sagar Bhavan and Dhruviya Bhavan at the National Center for Polar and Oceanic Research in which state? Goa. Which state launched the Yoga Andhra Abhiyan to promote yoga culture? Andhra Pradesh. How many years of legal practice did the Supreme Court make mandatory to entry into the judicial services? 3 years. Who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court? Justice Kempaiah Somsekhar. Which state was declared as the country's first fully literate state by the Union Ministry of Education? Mizoram. Which city of the Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship launched the National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme to boost skill development? Aizawl. Which type of criminal case did the central government launch the Zero EFIR for speedy disposal of cybercrime? How many member states of the WHO voted in the favor of adopting first global pandemic treaty? 124. Which state became the 13th in the country to implement Metropolis Act? Madhya Pradesh. Which Indian star javelin thrower was banned 8 years after failing dope test? Shivpal Singh. Who became the first CISF officer to conquer Mount Everest? Geeta Samota. Who took over as the Chancellor of Germany? Friedrich Merz. Which new variant of the coronavirus re-emerged in the Singapore, Hong Kong and India? COVID JN1. Which city did Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla a Pradhan Mantri Divyang Kendra, Kota, Rajasthan. 78th World Health Assembly in Geneva for the elimination of which disease received WHO certification, trachoma. Who, what was the theme of 78th World Health Assembly held in Geneva? One World for Health. In the Amazon rainforest of which country a new species of green anaconda, the world's largest snake, was discovered? Ecuador. What three major digital initiatives did the Union Ministry of Consumer Affairs and Food launch to transform the public distribution system? Depo Darpan Portal and Anna Mitra Anna Sahayata. Which state launched the Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan? Tripura. Which pioneering scientist in the India's nuclear energy sector and former chairman of Atomic Energy Commission passed away? Dr. M.R. Srinivasan. Which Padma Vibhushan awarded astronomer passed away? Jayant Narlikar. Which anniversary of World Meteorological Day was celebrated? 150th. Which country hosted the 24th Indian Ocean Rim Association Council of Ministers meeting? Sri Lanka. What is the name of the country's first AI-powered needle-free blood testing device launched at Nilofer Hospital in Hyderabad, Amrit Swasth Bharat? Which of which of India's leading green finance institutions received excellent rating from Department of Public Enterprises for the financial year 2023-24? IREDA. India's top food regulators FSSI launched a special campaign against the use of which banned chemical for the ripening fruits including mangoes, calcium carbide. Under what name US President Donald Trump unveiled the next generation space enabled missile defense system Golden Dome? Indian Navy commissioned rebuilt ancient Stitch ship at the Karwar, Karnataka. What is the name? INS Kondinya. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 25 for her short story collection Hriday Deep? Banu Mustaq. Which country chaired the 67th governing body meeting of the Asian Productivity Organization in Jakarta, India? 16th Lion Census estimates released on 21 May. What is the total population of asiatic lion in Gujarat? 891. Where did OpenAI announce its plan to build world's largest data center campus? Abu Dhabi, UAE. What is the name of the calculator launched by the central government for its employees to estimate their pension? Unified Pension Scheme. Who became the second army chief in Pakistan's history after Ayub Khan to receive highest military honor? Field Marshal Asim Munir. National Anti-Terrorism Day commemorates the death anniversary of which former Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi? Where was the venue of World Hydrogen Summit 2025 held? Rotterdam, Netherlands. Which country chaired 67th governing body meeting of the ASEAN Productivity Organization? India. How many brave soldiers did President Draupadi Murmu honored with the Kirti Chakra and Shaurya Chakra awards? 36. 6 Kirti and 33 Shaurya. Which country handed over the sovereignty of strategically important Chagos archipelago to Mauritius? UK. The global rating agency Fitch Rating increased India's GDP growth forecast for the next 5 years from 6.2 to 6.4%. Which country launched Tourists to shape the future of global tourism? Saudi Arabia. Which state government gave its official consent for the merger of Konkan Railway Corporation Limited with Indian Railways? Maharashtra. Autobiography of The Diary of a Cricketer's Wife was released on which cricketer's wife author? Chiteswar Pujara. The author is the Pujara wife. Who broke the South African cricketer Jack Callis record for the fastest 30,000 runs in Test cricket? Joe Root, England. How many model railway stations built under Amrit Bharat Abhiyan did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate for Bikaner, Rajasthan? 103. What name did the National Commission for Women launch a nationwide AI literacy mission in Bareilly to ensure women's participation? Yasoda AI. What was the theme for the International Day for Biological Diversity 2025? Harmony with Nature, Sustainable Development. Which ministry launched the nationwide campaign to create tobacco-free education institution? Union Ministry of Education. Who inaugurated the Rising Northeast Investor Summit at Bharat Mandapam? Narendra Modi. Which actor known as for his role in films like Son of Sardar and Jai Ho passed away at the age of 54? Mukul Dev. World Turtle Day. Which temple of Assam, Biswanath district, was granted the status of an idol temple for turtle conservation? Nagsankar Temple. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of the famous sunglasses company Oakley? Suman Gill. Which state was the 75th Siru Lily festival celebrated? Manipur. Which disease has been unanimously declared as the global public health priority for the first time by WHO. Skin disease. Niti Aayog released on 24 May which country did India surpass to become world's fourth largest economy after US, China, and Germany, Japan. Interest rate did the central government set for employees provident fund deposits for financial year 2024-25 8.25%. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of Mysuru sandal soap manufactured by Karnataka government? Tamanna Bhatia. Whom did BCCI appoint as India's 37th Test captain? Subman Gill. Which insurance company in the country set a Guinness World Record for selling the most insurance policies in single day? LIC. Following the success of Operation Sindoor, which Indian ingenious rocket launcher defense company received an order of $17.52 million from Israel? Naive Limited. Which board directed the affiliated schools to establish sugar boards to educate students about the dangers of excessive sugar consumption? CBSE. Which state launched the Ankur initiative to promote urban development? Odisha. Central government announced that the Khelo India Northeast Games will be hosted annually in one of the many northeastern states. 8. Who made the history by winning their 100th ATP Tour title with the Geneva Open 2025 victory? Novak Djokovic. Whom did China's Sai Feng Li defeat to win Malaysia Masters Badminton Tournament? Kidambi Srikanth. Which day was celebrated on 25 May? World Football Day. Who was appointed as the brand ambassador of the world luxury automobile company Audi India? Neeraj Chopra. Who was honored with the Global Indian Award purchased by Canada India Foundation? Sadhguru. Tata and Airbus announced the establishment of India's first private H125 helicopter assembly plant in which city of Karnataka? Kolar. Which Bangalore-based food company officially became the unicorn? Drools. According to the data released, which Indian city was included in the top 12 global tech powerhouse cities with the over 1 million tech employees? Bangalore. Which country did Germany surpass to become world's largest creditor? Japan. Which country did Germany surpass to become world's largest creditor? Japan. It was announced that the India's first AI-centric special economic zone will be built in which city? Naya Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The Indian government announced the development of next-generation two-seater electric trainer aircraft under what name? Ihansa. Who became the youngest Indian mountaineer to climb the highest peaks of the all seven continents? Vishwanath Karthike Padmavati. Vishwanath Karthike Padmanti. Which city did DRDO inaugurate India's most advanced quantum technology research center? New Delhi. Who was appointed as the ambassador for the Karnataka Forest Department and Wildlife Conservation? Anil Kumble. Who is the who is the Nepalese mountaineer to broke his own record by climbing Mount Everest for the 31st time? Kamirita Sherpa. Who became the first cricketer to score 9,000 T20 runs for single franchise? Virat Kohli RCB. Who made the history by becoming first musician of Indian origin to win an American Music Award? Raja Kumari. Which online payment company did the RBI grant in principle approval to operate a cross-border payment aggregators, PayPal Payments and Worldline e-Payments India? Whom did Asian Weightlifting Federation award the hosting rights for Asian Weightlifting Championship 2026 Ahmedabad? Which tennis legend was honored with the Princess of Asturias Award 2025 for her advocacy of equality? Serena Williams. Which of the northeastern capitals became the fourth to be connected to the national railway network after Guwahati, Agartala, and Naharlagun? Aizawl, Mizoram. Dahoud, Gujarat. Most powerful single unit electric engine developed by Indian Airlines to date. What is the horsepower? 9,000 horsepower. Who was appointed as the new brand ambassador for Dettol's new icy cool personal care range? MS Dhoni. Which day was observed on 28 May 2025 Menstrual Hygiene Day? WOAH and FAO signed a prestigious place in global animal health by designating ICAR National Institute of High Severity Animal Disease located in which city as a category A Rinderpest Holding Festival? Bhopal. In the ACI Air Connectivity Ranking released on this date, which Indian airport was ranked among the top 10 hub airports in Asia Pacific and Middle East? Indira Gandhi International Airport, Delhi. Which country launched Tianwen 2 to collect samples from asteroid 2016 H03? China. How many defense public sector undertakings did the central government grant Mini Ratna Category 1 status? 3. Munition India Limited, MIL, Armored Vehicle Nigam Limited, AVNL, and India Optel Limited, IOL. From which city did the Union Minister Shivraj Singh launch Viksit Krishi Sankalp Abhiyan? Bhubaneswar. Which Indian Navy vessel returned to India after completing 8-month long circumnavigation of the globe? INSV Tarini. What is the name of the portal launched by the Government of India to attract investors to the Ayush sector? Ayush Nivesh Sarthi. International Everest Day is celebrated in the memory of first successful ascent of Mount Everest by whom? Sir Edmund Hillary, New Zealand, and Tenzing Norway, Nepal. What name did the Indian Postal Department launch National Address Grid to establish digital address system? Dhruva. Which state designated a crucial tiger corridor connecting Kawal Tiger Reserve, Tadoba Andheri, and Indravati Sanctuary as the Kumram Bheem Conservation Reserve, Telangana? Who were appointed as the CMD of Union Bank and Central Bank of India respectively? Ashish Pandey and Kalyan Kumar. 39th Statehood Day. Which state declared itself fourth fully literate state in the country after Kerala, Tripura, and Mizoram? Goa. How many outstanding nursing professionals across the country were honored by the President of Draupadi Murmu with the National Florence Nightingale Award 2025-15? Who resigned from the post of head of the US Department of Foreign Affairs? Elon Musk. Who became the first Indian batsman to hit 300 sixes in the IPL? Rohit Sharma. During the visit to India, ADB President Masato Kanda announced the investment of how many billion dollars over the next 5 years to transform country's urban landscape? $10 billion. Who took charge as the Director General of Defense States? Sailendranath Gupta. Which French biochemist famous for creating abortion pills? My Frestron passed away. Etienne Emile Baulieu. World No Tobacco Day. Which state raised the minimum age for the purchasing tobacco from 18 to 21? Karnataka. Who won the title of Miss World 2025 held in Hyderabad? Opal Suchata Chuangsri. 72nd Miss World pageant in Hyderabad honored with the Humanitarian Award for Philanthropic Work during COVID-19, Sonu Sood. Who was the famous wildlife and tiger conservationist passed away in Delhi? Valmiki Thapar. 300th birth anniversary of great female ruler of India was celebrated on 31 May. Ahilyabai Holkar. What was the theme of World No Tobacco Day celebrated on 31 May? Exposing the appeal, unmarking the industry's strategy for tobacco and nicotine product.